Gene makes what we are. We tall or short, blue eyes or brown. Humans have between 20,000 and 25,000 genes. People have two copies of gene inherited from each of their parents. These genes control each and every physical character of our body. For example, color of our hair, eye shape, our height, everything. Let's start with basics. This is a gene. Gene is made up of DNA, which is the blueprint to synthesize enzymes and protein for our body. But sometimes genes are not correct. A smaller change in our DNA in the gene can change the protein, which can affect how we breathe, walk, and digest the food. Gene can be changed due to mutation in response to internal or external influences such as ultraviolet rays. We can also inherit mutation from our parents, which can cause disease. In such cases, gene therapy comes in. Genes are like blueprint of our body. Gene therapy balancing the missing enzymes or protein. Gene therapy is the insertion of correct gene, especially DNA or RNA, into the cells of the patient to treat a specific disease. The transferred genetic material produces disease-preventing protein or enzymes and decreases level of certain disease-producing protein or enzymes. It is also very interesting to understand how gene is transferred to the cells of patient. Gene cannot be directly inserted in the cells. Instead, a carrier, also known as vector, has to introduce the gene. Typically, engineered viruses are used as vector. Disease-causing factors are removed from the virus, and then it is used for transferring functional gene without making the patient sick. Once engineered vector is introduced to the cells, it delivers a copy of functional gene directly to the nucleus. Once inside the nucleus, the functional gene can support production of normal protein and correct underlying cause of disease. There are two kinds of gene therapy. Gene therapy could be in vivo or ex vivo. In vivo gene therapy, genes are inserted directly into the patient cells while cells are still in the patient body. In ex vivo gene therapy, cells are removed from the patient body, then genes are inserted in the cells in a lab, and then cells are transferred in the patient body. The kind of approach depends upon the types of disease and tissue affected. Advances in gene therapy researches allows to treat, and hopefully someday we will be able to cure complicated genetic disorders. For similar interesting videos, do connect with the channel.